see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a cute little Halloween look, so like a little bit of a last minute skull situation, just so that it's like a bit easy for you guys to like follow along with. And this video is in sponsorship or partnership with Avon, and I'll be using a few of their makeup goodies to create the look. I've already got my eyes and my eyeshadow base down, so let's just get started. So for eyeshadow, we're going to be doing like a grungy smoky eye situation with blacks and browns. So I'm first going to go in with a brown shade for a transition color, and I'm just going to place that in the crease of my eye, just so that we have something flat, so that the other shadows can blend out with that as well. So we're just going to be going in back and forth motions, making sure that it's nice and pigmented and blended to the gods. Okay, next we're going to be going in with a darker shade of brown, just to help create more definition with the eyes. And then the last color we're going to be going into is a black shadow. I like to place the dark brown all over my lid first and then pack the black on, just so that it's not too difficult and overwhelming to work with. And then we're still going to be going in and blending out the edges again, just to make sure that it's nice, soft and smoky. Okay, so we're just going to keep on packing that brown shadow on and blending it out into the crease. Okay, and now for the a bit intimidating part, we're going to be going in with some black eyeshadow, and we're just going to be placing that right on the lid. I'm going to make sure that your entire lid is like just fully black. And don't be afraid if you get like any fallout on your cheeks or anything, because we're going to be cleaning that up anyway. So now we're just going to take a clean blending brush, and we're just going to soften that black into the brown. Just quick and easy. And also, like, don't forget, you're a skull. It's scary. You need to be a bit creepy looking, so don't be too scared if you get a little bit of raccoon eyes. It's just how it goes. So for eyeliner, we're going to be using the Mark Whip Into Shape Tattoo Eyeliner. Wow, that is literally a mouthful to say, and this is how it looks. It's just a standard little eyeliner pencil, which is really cool as well. You can like erase with this side and draw your liner with this side. So let's go in with liner. Just going to draw it up. Okay, and that is it for liner. So what I'm going to do now is I'm quickly going to do my base makeup off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to create the skull. So now I'm going to start out with the black first, and I'm just going to run that on my lower lashes. Make sure you drag it out really like quite low down to create like that socket thing. And then for eyeliner, like in the lower lash line, in the waterline, I'm going to be using the big skinny waterproof precision kohl liner from Avon, and she looks like this. And I'm just gonna run that in my waterline. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Mark Big and Extreme Volume and Length Mascara. Wow, that's such a long name. But this is actually one of my favorite mascaras, like, ever, actually. It's really, really good. This is how the packaging looks. It's cute and orange. Halloween vibes, lol. I'm just going to coat my lashes with this. Put some falsies on, and then we are like done with the eyes. Oh my god, it is so hot while I'm filming this right now. Oh my gracious. Gracious, gracious. Okay, now for the fun part, we're going to be doing the skull situation. And to map out where my skull is going to be, I'm going to be using the Avon True Color Flawless Mattifying Pressed Powder. And this is in the shade Deep, Neutral Deep, sorry. So I'm just going to start with this powder, and I'm just going to trace on like the natural contour of your face, but make it like really, really dark and need to like hollow. So over here you can kind of like see which path you need to follow. You just want to like make it look really sunken. Like there's a lot of back and forth with this, especially with the blending. So this is how I'm gonna place my cheekbones. And I think I want to like use it to contour my nose as well. Now I'm going to go back in with the black eyeshadow that I used on my face, on my eyes, and I'm just gonna make this like the darkest point. So I didn't want to go straight in with black, just in case we kinda it up. We're gonna take some of the brown and we're just gonna blend it down. Then I think I want to take some more of this powder from Avon, and I just want to brush it up right here to make me look kind of angry, even though I'm not. I think I want to go a little bit darker, so I'm just gonna take some of my eyeshadow, just flick it up. So I'm just going to take this red lip liner and I'm going to line my lips with it. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using Avon True Power Stay 24-Hour Lip Color in the shade Resilient. And I'm just going to put these on my lips. Wow, this color is amazing. So I'm just going to let that dry down before we start with the face paint that I'm going to be drawing little teethies with. Ooh. While this is drying down, I'm quickly going to pop off camera, put some lashes on, and yeah. So now we are going to do the little skull mouth teethy situation, and I'm just going to be using the big skinny waterproof precision kohl eyeliner again, but I'm going to use it just to like trace out where I want everything to go. And the fact that this is a waterproof eyeliner, I think that this would be perfect for this specific thing, because then if you're like eating and drinking and stuff, it won't like rub off all the way. Okay, and now we're going to draw on the little skull nose. Okay, so we're just going to sketch this out. That doesn't look that bad! Well done, Cantara. Okay, so now I'm actually going to fill this in with black face paint. So I'm quickly going to do that. Okay, and now we are almost finished with our look. I just want to put some highlighter and some setting spray on, and then we are spookified. Also, I just want to go in with the Magix powder. It is an HD setting powder, and I'm pretty sure this is translucent, and this is what it looks like. So I'm really just going to dust some of this over for some extra, like, setting. Now I'm going to take some of the MAC Magix Avon Prep and Set Spray, which looks like this. I'm just going to spray my face. And then we're going to take some highlighter. Woo! I'm actually really impressed with how this came out. I think it's really cute and spooky, and if you are off to a last minute Halloween party, I think this would be a cute little quick look. So let me know if you guys would like to see more Halloween videos from me, and thank you so much to Avon for partnering with me for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.